Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Audi Q5 2.0T Prestige Quattro. This vehicle comes in an exterior finish of white with an interior two-tone brown and black. Really nice leather seats throughout the vehicle here. Huge panoramic sunroof. All kinds of features. Let's take a look. So around the back we've got the Audi Q5 2.0T Quattro badging and a power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space back here. Really nice accent trim throughout the vehicle as well. Rear seats, rear climate control, and a quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And another look at, again, that huge panoramic sunroof all throughout. So we have memory seats on the driver's side, driver door controls, driver seat controls, and driver seat. Steering wheel. Go ahead and hop inside. And mileage in this vehicle is currently at 59,467. And we do have a push button ignition. Audi navigation system, backup camera, and radio. And this is all easily controlled from the command console right here. And we do have climate control here, and shifter. And center console. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.